Okay, fifth grade students. So now we would like to review our material about present perfect that we already learned in Unit 5. So I would like to remind you about it, and I hope you still remember about the material, okay? Okay, let's get started. So as we know, we have in grammar, so the different grammar tenses are used in different situations or contexts and they carry different meanings. Okay, for example, we have some uses of the present perfect. Okay, the first one we have the use of present perfect for action that started in the past but is still true today. So it means in Indonesia sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lampau, tapi itu masih terjadi sampai sekarang. Okay, so in this word or in this sentence, so we have an example about the use of present perfect. Okay, the use of present perfect need to connect the past and the present. It is used to show that an action or situation in the past. Okay, so we can use continuous today or might happen again. Okay, to explain the connect word that we can use in present perfect. Okay, okay. Here is the example of how we use present perfect. Okay. Sarah has lived in Boston for 5 years. Okay, so has lived here become the use of present perfects because we have need to add verb 3 in the verb and we need to put has or have in front of the verb. Okay, okay. So the meaning of this sentence is by using the present perfect tense, we mean that Sarah began living in Boston 5 years ago and she still lives there. Okay, so in Indonesia, it could be like something happened in the past and still happen until now. Jadi ya sesuatu yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau dan masih terjadi hingga sekarang. Dan as you can see here, we need to remember present perfect connect the past with the present. So, jadi menghubungkan masa lalu dengan masa sekarang. So, we need to connect the past and the present if we want to use present perfect. Okay. As you see here, it is Sarah. Sarah is become one of the name of someone. So if we have the subject, say he, it, or someone's name, so we need to use has here. After that, we need to put verb 3. And then if the subject is I, you, they, or we, so we need to use have here, okay? Okay, and then the use of present perfect in the other use, so we can use with time words like recently, lately, since, so far this, week, month, year, and etc. So we can use this word to, to explain the present perfect with the time words. Okay. For example, we often use present perfect to say that something happens sooner than expected. Okay. So it means sesuatu yang akan terjadi segera dan sesuai dengan harapan ya. So we have an example. So we have a conversation between Jen and Tom. Okay. Jen said that don't forget to mail that letter. Okay. Then Tom replied by I've already mailed it. Okay. Okay. We see the use of time word in present perfect. So we can use recently, lately, since, so far, days, week, month, year, or already. Okay, so we have here, you can see after I we have have words, okay? So if the subject is I, you, they, or we, so we need to put have, okay? And then the verb 3 here is become meal, okay? And then the other one, we often use present perfect to say that we have never done something at any time in the past, okay? Jadi, the use of present perfect, so the use of present perfect kita bisa gunakan ketika kita ingin menyampaikan sesuatu yang belum pernah kita lakukan di masa lampau. Okay, as you can see in the example, so I have never visited London, but someday I hope to travel there. So it not happened yet, okay? Jadi itu belum terjadi. So you can use present perfect to explain the sentences, okay? And the next one, we often use present perfect with the expression like this is the first time, so you can use present perfect to explain the first time that you done something or that you do something, okay? For example, Leonard is nervous. This is the first time he has flown on an airplane, so has flown here become the present perfect, okay? And then we often use present perfect with ever and never. Okay, previously we already learned about the use of never. Now we continue with the use of ever. For example, we have a conversation between Patricia and Linda. So, have you ever played tennis? So Linda answered by, no, I've never played before, but I would like to learn, okay? So you can use never here like previously. Then the next one that you need to remember, if you were talking about a specific time in the past, like yesterday, last month, and etc., you cannot use the present perfect, okay? So you are not able to use present perfect if you want to use the time like yesterday, last month, and etc. Okay, so that's all about the material today. So I hope you still remember about it. So don't forget if the subject is I, you, they, or we, so you need to use have plus verb 3, okay? And then if the subject is she, he, it, or someone's name, so you need to use has and then the verb 3, okay? So thank you for today. I hope you still remember about it, and don't forget to check your Google Classroom for the text, okay? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. And I would like to say don't forget to study from Unit 1 until Unit 5 for the final test, okay? Okay, bye.